Hello everybody, it's Bee from Bespoke. Hello everybody, it's Bee from Bespoke. Hello everybody, it's Bee from Bespoke Crafts and welcome to my channel. Today's card, I've just finished it today, is this beautiful die set from Sizzix. It's Thinlits. I don't know the name of it because I started putting all my dies onto magnetic sheets and I just started putting them in randomly. Well, not randomly, as sets, but on some of them, as you can see, I'll show you. I didn't put the name on or numbers. That's a Sizzix one. I have on that one tattered lace. That's a Holtz one. I haven't done that one. So I've got a lot of folders like that. So it's very difficult to find out which one I've done. I did think about going to the timholtz.com and having a look through their products and doing them all like that, but it would take me hours. I might do it one day. Anyway, so this is the Sizzix one that I've done, and I absolutely love these little birds. I don't know if I've said that. I might have done. And the number is 666247. Okay, so that's what I've used. I've written down the colours that I've used. I haven't done the blues. I haven't done a colour chart for the blues because they were quite different in colours. I didn't really need them. But that's the one that I used for the eyes. And I use Distressed Spray Stain, Carved Pumpkin. And this is the card that I've made. I just think these birds are adorable. I have already got some made up in here. And just to make it easier for myself, I tape the corresponding parts to each other. So these are ones that I did of the watercolours. Not copying off these, but doing them similar colours. I think there's 3 in here anyway, that's 2 of them. But they are absolutely adorable. I don't know what it is about them, they're just so cute. So, there you go. Right, before we go any further, I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. I really, really do appreciate it, and I need to stop moving my arms so I don't rattle. So just thank you so much. If you're watching this intro and you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. It is free, it doesn't cost you anything, but it really does help my channel. And as well as that, you'll be able to listen to Merlin. Well, you can listen to Merlin if you don't subscribe, but it's nice if you do. He'd appreciate it. Merlin's my African grey parrot. So yeah, so if you click on the like button if you're enjoying the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, share the videos if you want, add comments into the comments box, and if you want to press the notification bell, you'll be notified every time I post a video up, and I try and do 2 or 3 a week. Sometimes it's more, and sometimes it's less, but it is generally, generally 3. So I'm going to get on with the voiceover. I might be fast forwarding through some parts, I might not be, there might be music, I might talk to you all the way through, even if it's drivel. So yeah, there's today's card. So I'm going to do the editing now. Alright, I'll talk to you in a couple of seconds. Alright, bye for now, bye. Hello everybody, I'm over on the voiceover now. I wanted to show you what I've particularly done with these little dies. Because they've got a matching set with them, I've actually just used mint tape to put them together, but you don't need to. They've got on the back of each of them corresponding ones, bird 1, bird 2 and bird 3. But I've just put them in there for ease. I keep a lot of my dies that are together like that in the same way. So there's the ones that I'm just showing you that are in there. I'm going to do the little eyes now, and this is the colour that I'm using. I've decided to write down the colours, and on all of them except for this one and the blue, I've just done a little colour swatch, because my aim is to do like a blended colour light to dark. It didn't necessarily work, but I'm happy with the way that it did work out. So just popping the little eyes on the bases, and I've gone round the actual eye itself, so I've gone over just so there's none of the white showing whatsoever. I have sped up through a lot of the video, in fact the majority of it, simply because I'm doing the same thing. This one is a little bit slower, but yeah, the next ones are a little bit faster. So I hope you can sort of like see what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do the paler at the front of the head, around the beak, and then slowly getting darker to the darkest colour towards the tail. So I'm going to play some music now. I've got a bit of a croaky throat, so you don't want to be listening to this. And you'll see as I'm colouring through, I am putting, like I said earlier, the numbers down. So I'm using the Honolulu 320 markers by Ohuhu. But you choose whichever colours that you want, really, don't you? So I'm going to play you some music as now, and then just keep popping back and forward. Okay, enjoy the music. going to use this alcohol to clean my sheet off, because if you get any of the inks left over, which you're going to do, they can go on to your pieces that you're colouring, and it just makes a mess of it. I've just got a tiny little bit of blue that you can hardly see on the green one, green bird, but I didn't like it, so just note to self, always clean your mat up after each colour. Really, it saves a lot of messing about later on. When I've done the twigs, I've done 2 layers of them, because they are obviously so thin and flimsy. On the base colour, I've just used the same colour that I used for the eyes, and the other colour that I used was E130, which I haven't actually got that down. And on the top layer, I've just put little bits all over and then just blended it in together, just so that you get that little bit of interest in the little tiny branches. And having a quick clean up again. So I'm using the Nouveau, it's the deluxe adhesive. Now, when I did the flowers, I just did one set of each, and the big flowers, there's 3 of it, but I ended up cutting quite a few more out, which you'll see. You won't see me cut them out, because I deleted that. I can't remember how many more cut. Put it this way, there's enough in the envelope for spares, that they've all been coloured. And again, I've just trying to vary the colours, give them a different variation of the 3 colours that I've got there. So some are lighter and some are darker. And putting them together differently as well, using the different elements to make the little flowers. As you can see, I've done loads more. So I'm just looking at placement now. I decided to put the 2 small ones, twigs together, just so it made a slightly larger one. They are lovely. I'm going to just keep saying it because I think they are. And what I ended up doing on the pink one as well, because he's layered up on the 2 twigs together, I've had to do some additional backing on him. I didn't want to put any foam tape on it because it's only 2 pieces of the cardstock, so I just cut some scraps up. You should see me do that, and just stick them on the back so it's the same height. Yeah, there it is. Just 2 little bits. So now they are equal heights at the back. And I'm just doing a little bit of the splattering of the distress stains. And again, it was carved pumpkin. I was going to do it in green, but I decided against it. And I'm just using the little Gina K corner puncher. And I'd looked at different colours, an orange to put at the back of it, but I felt that this purple just really brought everything together. I'm really happy with that choice. I'd looked at yellows and bright yellows and lemons and what have you, but I think it needed to be a brighter colour anyway. And then just as you can see, using the Collall glue, my rubber eraser, I trimmed this down just to get the little bits off so that you don't get any marks on your paper. Sometimes you do if you don't trim it down, and I often see questions about how do you get rid of the bobbly bits. Well, just cut them off. So just looking at a sentiment, I wasn't sure what I was going to do, but this is, I've kept this bit in just to show you that we all make mistakes, and I knew what I was doing. So I get my mini misty eventually. So just looking at placement. So I was thinking, oh, shall I emboss it? I thought, no, I don't want to emboss it. I'll just do it. I'll do it in black. And here we go. And you see, I'm checking. Does it fit? Not quite. It's just a little bit out. Looking at placement. This is a good thing about using a stamping platform, because you can just go over as many times as you like, as long as you get it right the first time, which I do the first time. So I'm using VersaFine Clay. It gives a really crisp image. And because the font is only very fine, I'm just going to just gently press down, because I'd rather reapply it again, which that's fine. Do I need another one? Shall I? You didn't really need one, to be fair. But you need to remember, this paper just doesn't quite fit. It is just a little bit big. And looking for perfection. And no, we haven't got it. It had moved. So I decided to get a piece of card and do it again. This time as well, I'd got my magnet in the way, so I wasn't getting the full tail on the left hand side. So I was just thinking, shall I move it? Are we going to get a repeat? So anyway, happy with that in the end. So all your mistakes can generally be covered up, which is good. So yeah, they are lovely birds. I've said it again. So I'm going to play you some more music now, just before I get towards the end, and just enjoy the video. So I'm just coming to the end of the card now. The card base is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. The card panel itself is 5 1/4 by 5 1/4, and the matten layer is 5 1/2 by 5 1/2. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Like I say, please put some comments in. I'd love to have a natter with you. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so again. Thank you for everybody for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Ring the notification bell and click the like button for me. And I'll see you for the next video, everybody. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.